Hi, I'm Olamide Olayemi, CEO of Mental Solutions Limited, located in Keja, Lagos, Nigeria. Are you a realtor, real estate agent, or a real estate firm, investor, construction developer, or salesperson, and you're still struggling with sales conversion? Join our digital marketing training for real estate professionals coming up. We are going to be giving you a foolproof blueprint on what we did for some real estate companies that generated sales for them even during the lockdown period. We'll be giving you the full process template for you to reuse. And even if you can't do it yourself, just contact us after the training and we are willing to take up your marketing setup. During the 3 days online training, we'll be discussing on the 7 key processes you are to use. How to calculate advertorial budget needed, how to host virtual property tour, how to create SEO for your property image online using pay-per-click to generate quality leads through your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google, how to set up virtual inspection booking system, how to identify the target real estate market, and how to generate new customers from your old customer. To join this 3 days online training, click on the sign up button right now or visit www.mentapps.com/online. Thank you.